U.S. stocks are mostly lower as I speak to you right now. The Dow is down about 0.52%. The Russell is down 0.46%. The S&P 500 is down 0.14%, and the Nasdaq has just turned positive, sitting barely above the flat line. This morning early, German business climate and expectations both came in higher than expected and higher than the previous month, as did U.S. building permits, but U.S. new home sales fell by 0.6%. Yields are slightly higher in the U.S., mainly in the 2-year yield by about 5 basis points and only 2 basis points on the 30-year yield. Gold is barely to the positive side of unchanged. Silver's down 0.61% and copper is up 0.56%. The dollar is slightly higher against all the majors and Bitcoin is falling again for the third straight session. Oil is up for a fourth straight session. Analysts are warning that the Ukrainian drone and missile strikes targeting Russian oil refineries and export terminals that happened on Sunday could affect supply by as much as 10% of refined crude product. Preliminary July durable goods data is due out tomorrow. Over the past year, U.S. durable goods orders have rebounded strongly, rising from weakness in mid-2024 to post double-digit annual growth rates into mid-2025. The bounce was led mainly by surges in transportation equipment and capital goods, but in the past 6 months, the trend has been volatile, with record monthly increases followed by steep declines, including a 16% jump in May 2025 and a 9% drop in June. The recent volatility makes tomorrow's number a bit more important than normal. Now, looking ahead, earnings are coming today after the market closes. We have 3 companies with market caps exceeding $1 billion set to report earnings. Those are HEICO Corporation, the aerospace and defense giant, Semtech, the semiconductor company, and FS Credit, which is a financial stock. We're waiting for NVIDIA earnings this week. Tomorrow, before the market opens, we get another 8 companies with a market cap of $1 billion or more reporting, but none of them are U.S.-based companies or all that economically important. As a matter of fact, the most noteworthy name is Bank of Montreal. Economic data tonight, a speech from New York Fed President John Williams, and the minutes from the last Reserve Bank of Australia rate meeting. Tomorrow, economic data, U.S. durable goods, as I mentioned, the Case-Shiller Home Price Index, and the Conference Board's consumer confidence data.